limited later and smaller size near arcs were regained to avoid immediate fills into liquidity, and their stop loss is $21.30 and plus 9.6% for current, and the place above the visible or large arcs at 20.18, and to allow to typical is ATR noise, and 15-minute RSI is 0.60, and their daily ATR large. Let's see the target. The partial take profit, it's TP41, it's 17.10, and it's a short-term support from 15-minute technical support, and the take profit too, it's a 9.94 to $10 as structural daily support, and it's a longer time frame target if market trade windows, and their size and leverage is used conservative sizing and low leverage, and market long, it's 98% longs, and elevated open interest, increased sequence risks, and keep position small relative to account, and set a tight risk control. And the sustained funding flipped to strongly negative for short. The indicator buyer become aggressive, and short get penalized, and the large early net inflows spikes continue and break above Oxford at $20.18 with strong volume. Could likely fuel short sequence, and the daily MACD or the higher time frame momentary reversing bullish concurrency with rising open interest. And the stronger entry to reduce slippage, use limited order near identified resistance level, and the monitor funding rate OI change, and the signal our inflows a sudden surge in OI plus buy inflow in the fastest way to short become painful. And if price quickly drop to first target, the consider reducing size and tightening to stop to break even to provide versus several sequence.
New visitor, thanks a lot everyone for joining my live stream. Some maximum chances are Ethereum in the 5 minute time from the coming out this area, then after again it's sell opportunity, I think. And new visitor यहाँ पर जो इसकी बॉडी है वो बहुत ही बड़ी है और पिक अगर देखी जाए वो भी बहुत बड़ी है, ठीक है। बॉडी अगर ग्रीन रेड कैंडल की बड़ी हो और पिक भी बड़ी हो, यहाँ पर जो है वो ड्रॉप जाने वाली है, ठीक है। यहाँ पर मार्केट जो है वो ड्रॉप जाएगी।
the drop for some time and give a quite a good pump in single candle. I provided everyone the signal at this candle when it was forming around this area or the finish. Okay, this area. Okay, I provided the signal last day in this area, and after that, within 30 to 40 minutes, I guess the token. I was talking about another token, but whenever I look at down into my another tab, I see the token started to pump, and within the fall of my eyes, it went to one of the craziest pump in just few moments, as I say in the only short time. And after the pump, I saw that it has a resistance point here, and it created a resistance here and get rejected after this resistance with a high level of trading activity. If you look at down at 4 hour candle, okay, if you closely look at down at 4 hour candle, you can see the rejection of higher prices with high trading of activity. So let me go back into 30-minute candle again. So after the rejection,
Thank you, new visitor. Thank you very much for joining. Thank you for being here. And we're analyzing the last 24 hours. So that was very, but that pump changed this not only scenario, but I think the change position. This is position change this not only scenario, but I think the change position. This is position changing candles, position changing pumps, which happened within only 6.5 hours. And 2596, approximately 2600 USDT pump within only 6.5 hours. So that profit takers should be here and to lock their profit, and that is a profit taking 950 and 6,000, approximately 7,000 BTC from the previous some hours. Look at that. Yes, everywhere. That is also, that was the major support. Major means major support. Okay. Yes. After this dump, that is the actually area when BTC got a very good support here, and there's no rejection, just over there revival, and step by step 68,300. यूना यूनस लिखना चाह रहे थे यूना, चलिए आप, मैं भी अंदाजा लगा रहा यूना 98, थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर जॉइनिंग. JLND 31, thank you very much. राव हमजा, एंड यहाँ पे आपको राव हमजा ही बोलेंगे हम. अच्छा जी, इनफ हो गई थी. यहाँ पे फिर से प्रॉफिट टेकर्स. अच्छा यहाँ पे अच्छा एक पैटर्न ये बन रहा है कि शायद थोड़ा और डंप आए, देख लें राव साहब. मे बी बहरहाल यहाँ से तो लॉन्ग बिल्कुल अच्छा किया आपने यहाँ से लॉन्ग लेके, कि जो रिजेक्शन यहाँ पे, रिजेक्शन तो नहीं कहेंगे यहाँ पे, इतनी अच्छी सपोर्ट के साथ इसको दोबारा से मेरा ख्याल है थोड़ा हिसाब किताब अच्छा होना चाहिए. चलें अब यहाँ पे हाय 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 तबीयत तेनू की आखा, मेरी लखा दी स्ट्रीमा में जाया नहीं. जब से तबीयत खराब, मेरे व्यूज